Listen to me. You see, the man, I'm tell you the truth. I'm not feeling baby, you know. I'm trying me that try pin him down because me thinking me have money, but he have no money. I garbage and walk and pick up. A years.
Something I don't appreciate. Oh,
Mommy,
manage.
my ask you a question. What about your sister?
What about her?
You know, see her, she have a big belly in front of her last time I see her, you know.
Call being pregnant.
Yeah, but why baby for? Every time I ask her, she say me too young for that.
Well, she right. She right. You're too young to find out that the long story. But
But me curious.
curiosity kill the cat. I'm gonna say it's true you did young. You never really go down to your auntie house when her boyfriend did it.
Mm-hmm.
But her baby father gone a foreign. As soon as she meet him, she go move in with him, and boops, your little cousin a come. So I hope and pray say him look after her, cause him supposed to go on a foreign to make better for them. But the whole story too long, right? You know, for you to hear the full thing. She right with that. Yeah.
Yeah, but they
But
just want to know.
all you do is learn from your auntie here. You see, man, them have sweet mouth. And when them talk, no fall for everything.
Yeah.
Cause look, she go meet him, move in with him, and breed for him. All we can do is hope and pray, cause we don't know him too hard like that. If him gonna support no
Mommy
baby
never
come.
see him.
Well, it is same when you're younger still, but I saw. All we can do is hope and pray, Abby, but try not to do the same thing. You meet a man and you go in a long relationship first and get to know him first before you even think about make me a grandmother, yeah?
Yes,
Can me
mommy.
too young and sexy to turn grandmother? No.
Mommy, everybody know that.
Of course. Right, so we're kind of hot and tired. So we could carry on. Come on, I'll reach the shot for you.
Morning, hello.
Morning.
How long am I not see you? From school get holiday, I'm not see you back again.
Back again.
Yeah, Miss Who's
Mommy no make me come out.
right. Hey, mother.
Yeah.
Of course, got plenty of trouble up on the road. I mean, I want my daughter name mix up in it.
She not missing on trouble.
My daughter no walk street. Me no let her walk street like that. Where she ever go?
She can't look for your friend.
Where friend I go? Friend put you in a problem more time. You want her walk street and give problem like on a friend no walk street and no street.
I don't give problem, you know. Me not give no problem at all. Me ever get man yet?
No.
Oh.
Could never.
Listen, me, I the type of friend to she. If she say book, come I could take a book, me ask how long we could study for. If she say come I could go to class at evening time, I say how long we gonna do the for, we can stay till the next morning. I said never get a man yet. Me tell her I say come I could go play school, or come I could go play church. Then walk up and down like when I make sense. I said my mother said me I couldn't. Shut me I go. Yeah. Me not the bad company type. Man, could pop in a tooth, maybe they must split me in a half.
So what is your subject at school then?
Me had enough subject. Yeah, me that's why my results now.
Okay.
Man not gonna wear you want subject right now in a life I have certain things.
That's what
All thing man do is use the people and girl pick and talk me when one piece of heat and call them mockers and this and that. You see me now to me not have much sense up here, so me left man a
But
go.
mommy, I chose she a good friend. I should have suck finger. That's all she
Yeah,
do.
big girl and suck finger.
Yes. Still at trouble.
Oh, me like you. You seem decent.
Cause I know my mother will pop me next. So I have to stay
Okay, you have a
close.
strict mother like Abby.
Yes.
Me love that. Me love that. Me love that. See, I go shop for your mother now. That is good. That is good.
So me I go up and shop.
You know, say, I got the shop. I miss Marie shop you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
I be
Oh, mommy, I want something up there.
I be use the change up me did go get. Use it. They'll borrow it back from me. Here, use the change by a pound of rice. Come in a feel for go today. Pound of rice and 2 pound of chicken. Mixed parts. Here.
You have season down there, man?
We have seasoning. We go cook a pot tonight. Here.
Alright.
Alright. What you say your name is?
I'm moody.
Moody.
Yeah.
Hope you're not moody, you know.
No.
Me love how you smile, smile.
Alright, thanks.
Alright. Go with her and come back. Mickey is here.
Yeah.
Alright. Can't take the sun and the walking.
Oh, God have mercy.
So, how you finish now? I'm not see no shopping bag. You know the supermarket be?
Oh, God. Tomorrow that be. Tomorrow.
No. Today is Thursday. Your payday is Thursday. You know, remember saying me to remind you. I'll give you the shopping list before you leave out this morning.
Oh, yes, it's true. But yeah, no. When I co-work, right, I get vacation tomorrow. So the supervisor asked me if we can make media my pay and then tomorrow I collect for her envelope. Yeah, because she a fly out tomorrow. So I'm like, yeah, make she go out because she deserve it.
Okay, so we not deserve it too.
No, but you have to help the female. Them.
So help the female.
Listen, you can't be so bad mind and jealous.
Who you call bad mind? Me a swallow or me spickle?
No, listen, babe. Have I ever come home on payday, right? And I'm bringing groceries? No. I bring it in.
You bring in piece.
What?
Me write, that's why me even write down this for you, Papa, come in now say your headlights. Me write 3 crackers, 3 mackerel, 3 pound of sugar. I bear 1 pound, one pack of and dry crackers too.
You figure something? A Jamaica we live, right? And a hard work, a dirty work we do on the road and it's still up enough, right? And look how much we get. Can't buy enough. We are not rich. We are poor, so we have to eat little.
Exactly. So you still lose, Papa.
How?
Because if we have to eat little, how the bad side is your payday? Hey.
You ever think of getting a work?
How? What you there for?
All right. When we used to go to school, my principal always tell me this. When me wear one upper arm, upper leg, when we have on 2, then the bird don't fly upon 1 wing. You understand the meaning of that now?
So which other wing you fly pan? Which other wing you fly pan?
You see that you
Because
don't
me
understand
wonder
you
how.
don't understand me say, bird cannot fly upon 1 wing. It
Means so you have to go get a next wing.
Then are you? Who else? And you are the next wing.
So
you have to go out there. And your daughter can go look at summer job too. Yes.
you can get a better job, Papa.
How?
Me just frustrated.
Me go up the beach, go look at work in a couple of the hotel them. And me show them my application, right? And me carry my degree then when we get from school. And you know what they do? Then tell me my degree too big for you. Me fi go in the parliament of house. Right? Me no go link. Bro God answer to me say, I want a seat in the parliament of house. He said, look at my degree, he give me it back and say, go a higher place. Where the backside in Jamaica me go find a higher place than that? You tell me now.
It make it hard for black people and they wonder why people thief. They not like see people have not
They don't want nobody way too bright in the house of parliament and pay dunce they want in
because
there.
you will realize when them are thief.
Right, and to me have mathematics brain, they don't want that. Because they know say one thing when they start to take up a pen and calculator and start go boom, 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 boom. They're going to know where all of the money go. Yeah?
None of that, them no want.
Because me is a man like this. You see the brain with me, God bless me. You think a teacher teach me? I mean, I have to teach myself. We can tell all the younger ones them say, if you don't pay attention in school, you will forever be a dunce. You have to help yourself too. Teacher alone can't do it. Parents alone can't do it. And some of the parents and then careless. Yes.
Talking of parents, you see my sister, you see her?
The one time that coming to the yard, you know, I met a morning to her and she go on like she see my shit. You see me chat to her? And you must know, you and her bench and batty, you sit down, sit down every daytime and chat people. Go on in your yard if you want to know in there. No, ask me how maybe.
Well, you depend on the road.
Ask me if me okay. I am on the road sweeping up garbage. Ask me if me okay.
So me not ask you that when me see you. When me just see you, me ask you.
A man with 14 subjects, I sweep up garbage. Just imagine.
I saw the
Poor my
country
qualification
run,
so
man.
big. And look on the cousin when I don't get one. Me see me in a bakery, I get 20% of the bakery
Hi.
profit.
You see, in this country, I will face fit. If your face not fit, your mark not.
Me I'll get you a job though. Me and you can sweep up the road together.
Hey, sweep up which road?
Huh?
Me a hot woman. Sweep up. Hey, remember your promise, you know? To get this your woman, you tell me, say you would mind me and take care of me and look after me and keep me in the life I'm accustomed to. Me come down to your level. Come and say me love you. Me don't know why. Eh?
Hello.
And me come down to your level. So
Hello.
which part
Yes.
where I go?
I-
All broke near me have sake of you, me still stand with you.
Yes, I promise you that. But when I come to your yard, right, and I'm setting myself to be comfortable, your daughter yam too much. Me alone can't mind it.
You tell me, you say you is a big man in the streets and you have everything locked down and me tell
No.
you say me have my picnic
Yeah,
and you tell me say you can mind
No,
me.
you understand wrong. I tell you, me are the big man in the street and me have everything locked down. Me meaning, I am the big man in the street that's sweeping up the roadside and I lock down all the garbage that's on the road. That is what I'm trying to tell you. But you didn't listen. Why? Why didn't you listen? To you and your friend and your sister, then they're the bar and a jiggle up and a dance.
Okay.
So it look like say you hear me say, me are the big man in the parliament and me lock down the whole government
Okay.
system. So it look like a that catch a ears, I know? Me
Okay.
never tell you that.
No problem. Me know what me will do. Me know what me have to catch and lock down. Me know what we will do.
Where you lock down?
Nothing, baby. Cause you are the man in the street that locked down. So,
I shop you plan to lock. A dog shop they have plan to lock. See the key here? Lock the shop now. Lock it.
you see, you lose key. You might lose more than the key. Go along and try it. Me want chicken. And me done said I be for the shop to get chicken, mixed parts and thing. So you better know what you do, man. Because I'm not eat so chicken. Me want something for wet my throat too. You have to give me something for wet my throat, man.
Yeah. Where you want to go to church?
Me want something I can swallow.
Me will catch you, no? Right?
Kayla.
Oh,
You there?
yeah, I'm there.
Me don't know.
What going
You're
on?
a girl, so you could be anywhere. You alright?
Yeah, me
Where did I
alright.
eat?
Oh, not eat little food.
I'm good. Feed my niece or my nephew.
Yes.
Well, I can't tarry long. You know, say, you're come for safe. You can borrow a little change off of you.
Little car, little change.
Why? Just something to keep you for today. You have a little, even $2,000?
$2,000. Well, my sister, if I tell you the truth, you know, I only have $5,000 and me go see if me can give you something like because I have to pay my partner. So when me will get it back because I have to pay my partner tomorrow evening.
Oh, you're good then. You need it for tomorrow evening. No, man, sis, you're good. I'm going to tell you what happened. You know, so today is Popeye payday. And he normally get paid today. The fool idiot take fool and give him money, swap him money, and go get paid tomorrow. One of the women them a go on holiday, so him volunteer, him pay, and him a go get it tomorrow instead of she, cause she not gonna do that to get her money or somewhere not.
Yeah, it's me tell you. If you tell her the truth, me dey gonna lend her money now because you're my sister, me trust you will bring you back.
Thank you. You know that,
But
man.
you see when you come on to your so-called husband or whatever you want to call him or papa, him, me not sure about him might get back half of the money, but me I beg you please, make it a point of your duty, say, me get back the money because me want you to pay my partner.
Yes, man, because me all go down to him work and get the money from him boss. Him have to get the money tomorrow morning. And as me not even go home, as soon as me get the money, me I come bring it to you. So come and know say you need it from me niece.
Yes. Don't move.
Thank you. Here.
Yes.
Just send me the whole 5,000. Me will broke it for you. Me will broke it for you. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody change it. Me will broke it for you.
Alright. See the money here.
Yeah, that me a deal with. Thank you, sis. Thank you.
Yeah, so remember, bring it back tomorrow.
Yes, man. Tomorrow
I'm gonna
morning.
pay my partner.
So tell me something. Yes, you see Popeye. When last you see Popeye?
You think about yesterday I'm seeing man and me I come from shop.
You see Popeye? Yes, my Popeye yesterday.
Yes, me don't know your man look. Me see him.
How that lion rich tell me say him no see you from the first time you come at the house? Hey? Me ask him, you know? And him just tell me, say, I wonder if a lion tell me everything about work and everything. Can you tell me, say,
Could
not
be.
see you from when not?
Could
and
be.
you see, oh,
Cool because you know, you remember saying you ain't lying. Ain't lying. I'm maybe might get in a age I know him a see now. So probably he see me. I don't even know what I mean. So me see him I come from work yesterday and me dey go shop. You see me like me I go down, me see my march pan the way I come up, I want him head straight. Like me I beg him something. Me see him yesterday.
him tell me, say, him,
No pay him no mind, sis. No pay him no mind. You know what I'm saying? No sense. Remember him a mad.
me no want really go where my head a take me right now. So here what? Thank you. Here
Yes.
tomorrow morning. Tomorrow
Yes.
morning by hook or by crook.
Yeah.
And you definitely see my Popeye.
Me don't know how your cranny body man look. With him monkey face and him tallness. And I look one piece of broke out slippers with him dirty foot.
Alright, don't diss him now. Here on my job that.
Okay.
Alright. So how you feeling and everything?
I'm feeling alright. I'm feeling wonderful.
Oh good. Alright, my niece. Mwah!
Alright.
Take care. Thank you, sis. Tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Come on, go over. Yeah, I can always have some. Oh boy. Every it's done, but anyways. Yes, no one see them.
Yeah, I think we can ask my mother for how much they are back to say from the road. Well, bag juice. We sell on the road. Something wrong with the ears.
Oh, for you, sir. Oh, no.
Me and you. Me and you.
Look on
You what about your
They
head?
may look bag juice, but how much you bag juice? Bag juice money can't pay for the
Yeah. Yeah, you can pay for it.
Where?
For example, buy and sell the pocket for left box. Yeah.
How much I sell the bag juice, sir?
$50.
$50 US.
Jamaican dollars.
$50 US.
Jamaican dollars.
Listen to me. You see, if bag juice me I sell now, sell for $200 one.
What coupon you
Nobody
do?
is not getting anything to buy. Me and
Which
you
bar
now
for
sell a bag juice.
$200? Which bags are sell for $2 in this world?
What do you mean?
Your body
Listen
costs
to-
$200?
Nobody worth more than $200. You wanna go sell your bag juice? Them and in a bag juice, look at me go walk.
can't
Me
sell
just
one,
cuss
no-
off
no
one
to
man down the road not too long. Say me a hot girl and sitting.
Wait.
If you go see me I sell bag juice,
Rewind. Which hot girl? Rewind back the word. Cool girl? I don't think you have to say.
ready? Not like this one up in the sky.
Anyways, give me a 360. Let me see. Give me a 360. Where a girl?
You blind? Are you not see good? You need
Nah,
glasses?
see.
You need contact lenses?
Yeah, look like me need
And
glasses.
I will surely get you. Because you want contact lenses that you have me because sell bag juice per road. The man make us off when they go
You
see
more
me and
than
sell
bag
bag
juice?
juice.
You better than bag juice?
Better than bag juice.
Which part you better
No
than
longer
bag
drink
juice?
bag juice. I rather make syrup and water and sell bag juice.
You can't buy syrup much as a bag juice.
I can't afford the syrup. If I can afford the syrup, then I must buy the bag juice.
This is the one not in your life.
Your career, your dream is to work and sell bag juice for your life. My dream is to be a girl first of my life.
A girl where?
Me in a work and sell no bag juice.
At least me I make money and money we I make.
I mean, I want the money, $50 or $10. Suppose a one bag juice sell. Nobody else. Suppose a one bag juice
We
sell
can
for
get
the
more
day.
sell by walking up and down.
I mean, say suppose a one bag juice sell for the day. How it
No,
go?
no, we can try again the next day. Try
Oh,
again
so
the
suppose
next
we
day.
don't have no money at all, and the bag juice alone we have, and a $50 alone will work for the day. Because they say it's around $50. How it go? How we name?
You don't want nothing in life.
Me want something alive, but me don't know what you want, me know what me want. Just better just go and buy everything. Let's just tell me about bag juice. Why you so?
Yeah, boy, Miss
Go and buy business. No manners. Let me go take up all phone with my nails. How much money for the nails to come and tell me about hell bag juice? Where me go again? Me not even make, better me just sit down and down.
You alright, B?
Hmm?
Plate. You do dinner, man. When you cook. God bless you. I'm tired. When you cook.
Hmm?
When you cook. When the
Oh, am I a lady?
sometimes you have to wonder about when you cook.
Do I have clit? I tongue. Which one? Make up your mind.
How you talk with the foolishness? You cook or not?
I came in, right? And I check the pot. And I don't see nothing cook.
Mhm.
I mean, I work hard. Right? So I take myself and fry 2 eggs with 2 francs and just chop it between the bread. Eat it. And I saw this lovely cool juice with ice in it. It's nice and refreshing because the time is hot.
So you get that out of the freezer, though?
Yeah.
Abby drinks.
Sure. A young girl then count. Yeah.
Let me lick you some more.
That was the egg crumbs. But, yeah man, a young girl them, they can maintain herself.
So, Papa, should you fry the 2 common fowl egg? You know, even buy decent egg, a pure common fowl egg you love to buy. Eh? Should you buy 2 little egg in the kitchen, you drop word for me? And I
Hoy!
talk about clitter mouth.
Hoy! Come on, for egg is better than the layer egg. You hear? It's naturally feed. You naturally feed them with the food where you cook. You throw food, give them, and the bone and them.
Well, you know about it, you ever raise none? I be a supermarket and take away. And you mean to say, are you cause nothing in the house? Eh? But source a dry egg.
So,
And then you can drop what?
so let me ask you a question. I am the man that working. You expect me I got left from you lucky me fry the egg. You lucky me make it.
Popeye,
It's your job.
you say you go work, you know. Oh, no, me can't see no evidence of work. Because when a man work, he's supposed to get what? He's supposed to get paid. Eh? You ever bring in pizza? Me ask with 3 things, a tray will live here. Me ask with 3 peanuts, you bring back 1. Me ask with 3 frags, you bring back 1. Eh? The only thing you bring back in the salsa egg.
Me can ask you a question.
That's all you good for.
When we did meet you, right? Life was good back then, not true?
For me, it's like it good.
Yeah, because the father was
you.
taking care of your daughter, but now the father run off. Life is
Cause
worse.
you, why run off? Eh?
Me not supposed to feed another man's child.
You live in here with another man child. You say you're a man of yard. Eh? Me did have my good man of foreign and send money down. Eh? You take phone, go take phone and go through my phone and say your dial number and mess up the program. Yeah. And then I complain now.
No, me call him man and say, yo, you can't send such a little bit of money to me woman. You have to send thousands.
Yeah, idiot.
What kind of no 500?
Yeah, idiot. I mash up my bird nest. Eh? Me have my little bird nest I go on.
Which bird nest?
The man has send down money for him picnic. Eh? And I'm mine him picnic. Some people not like see black people have nothing, you know. I feel so you are one of them, you know. Make me find out what me I think. Next thing next. Me know say you lie to me, you know.
I'm not lying with you.
Me know. Me know. You not hear me talk.
I'm not a liar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just a social media experience.
You is a lying wretch is what you be.
You call me rich now?
Yes, he is a lying wretch. Cause you know say my mouth full of squall right here now. Eh? And you who's supposed to be the provider in this. What me have you here suffer? What me really have you here suffer?
Work and come in and you feed me, wash my clothes, keep them dry, make sure me have clean clothes going on the road. Give me what me want at night time when me ready feed. You know how it go.
Oh,
right?
so me a servant girl now.
Right.
Me not have no needs or wants. That is
Let
it
me
you
tell you
don't know man, you know.
something.
When I believe say woman have needs or wants.
Who?
You say, ask a woman if she's satisfied before you say you're done. And your Stephen's right.
Who have the bars here?
Me not know. Me not know. Come in and sit on.
You not see no bar?
No.
When me a little at night time naked as the day bar, you not see no bar?
Because if a man have balls, a man supposed to man up. Eh? You say you're going to work every day. Eh? Me can't see no evidence of that. Because you're supposed to come home with money.
So let me ask you a question man. So my little 9 to 5, right? When me get paid, me forget you all right.
Papa, me not say you forgive me the whole of it. Eh? We can't live. The Bible says that shall not live by bread alone. We can't live by egg alone. So say egg alone. Buy little chicken. Buy little ting and ting, man. Sometimes we have to just boil the egg, so say egg. Can you not even provide bread in
Top
this?
follow the talk when they say man can't live by bread alone. Top follow them because when Jesus did go at the big old event and he take up 2 bread, the amount of bread where you see. Those are coming after. He just wash it and over it. Hey, no follow nobody.
In the bread and fish.
You
And
can-
not just sauce of bread alone.
You
Like
can-
your sauce of egg.
You can go catch fish.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Look at me catch one already.
Huh?
Me say me look like me catch fish already. Me is a fisher woman, you know. Me catch plenty fish
Yeah,
in my
well,
life.
right?
Some of the fish me let go because they not no use.
Yeah, me sure you're not smart. You could have seen that. I would not be his side, you know. Go make you scale fish. At $20 a pound for scale fish. You know what money she could have chop and give me you?
So why you couldn't do that? Instead of sweep up the dirty roadside. More time you come in, you think, man. Eh?
So,
When you baby go in your pores, man, and you still want a woman to lie down with you and open up like clothespin. We must still lie down. Hey, use the clothespin, Panny. Use the clothespin, Panny, but the clothespin too big. Could they? No, open up the clothespin so wide. It's stretch, and it's too big for you. Yeah, master, right you know you're sick, me thumb up. Sure. What you shove? Me there you're dead for hungry. Sure.
then I just said it's too big for me. A little finger me have. But you're bright. You wait.
Sean, is that you? Sean, is that you? You don't know who?
Moody.
Yes, I'm Moody.
It's like it's so
Any glasses?
Moody.
Yes, Moody.
Oh God. I'm meeting there. No, sir.
Things that me a wa.
You know, eat, man.
Maybe me not eat. This is me hot girl come and use them.
What? Still anything I saw. So you're cheap. You're cheap. You know have a man to take. When we go to school, you see the hottest girl. Yeah, when me normally look, you see, you don't want no man, you know, nothing. You see what me depend? And
So
you
me not still hot
motivate
girl?
me to get this. Eh?
Me not still a hot girl.
Wait. Look on your toe then. You need all pedicure. What's it?
You don't say you have dirty style.
Look on your head. Look on
You just wait. Me I go do my
that
hair
come
today.
like Brian
Me I
got
wait for
school
collect
and
some
shit.
money for go do my hair. Do my nails them yesterday. This just pop off for my
I can't believe you come like you lose all weight. You pop down. Me not tell you like you pop down. Look for me elevator. Look here. Elevator. I feel me this is. Eh? Where you elevate?
What do you mean? Me get taller.
You what? You get taller.
Yes, we soon can't touch this tree
No,
bamboo
sir,
tree.
you're Chinese nails them. We can't believe
Acrylic them here. Acrylic them here.
We can't believe. So you ever tell it?
No, we stop here so.
But you remember when you normally look and you tell me say you don't want a man, me no. And look for me now.
So me not have nothing.
Me have one 3 bike.
Me
You
have
say bike.
houses.
Wait, yes so? Up here so?
Thank God land here.
Up here so?
Me
you
have
don't
them,
even
you
know
don't
how much
worry
your
yourself.
door. How much your door?
100,000.
You don't even know what your door. I move the pop down in here, but I move the hand here. The pop down, you come like, I'm a phone cover and Melissa come on there, flat down.
I never got 95. I said 95 people bad. I've never made many like this.
Mommy! Mommy!
Oi!
One minute made out, I said my one.
Take the man out there. Drink it. Bad man, you see? No worry, hush. You're going to take it from your money when you give it tomorrow. Yeah?
Sir. Sir. How this go?
Huh?
How this go?
It's an empty buckle. You have a problem with it? Oh, them buy buckles still, you can sell the buckle. I think them buy it by the pound or maybe $1 one. I'm trying to make a money back off of it.
You want to buy this for?
Huh?
You know how much I buy this for?
The buckle? The buckle you talk about? Or the juice that they in there? Which one? Make up your mind.
The juice! The juice!
Oh, I know how much you pay for it, man.
500.
$500 for that. Honey, babe, come on to know if me feel I'm going to take care of you. Say that was school. Eh? They're going to pay me and tell me to $500 for that I'm going to buy it back. Look at that going. Yeah? I buy money by that here.
So that no say.
My money by what you have, your mother don't work.
That no say.
Your mother cannot work.
You want my 500 back.
Yeah, call me from.
And drink my 500 juice.
My promise.
You never even save a cent for the child. I say your bad mind.
Awesome.
It's alright, baby. Nobody stress about it. Nobody stress about
You're
it.
not sure for your mother to receive a sip, so I'm sure to receive it.
You're real bad mind brute, you know.
Let me get for drinking.
Hey, listen to me. I might be your mother out, you know. Right? But me have all right to put you out.
16 years old?
Hold on, baby.
16 years old?
Hold on, baby. Just
You
a
see-
stick of pin. Just a
You
little.
ain't checking me? Yes, you ain't
Put
checking me?
out who out how what?
Baby, we never said that.
Put out who out how what?
I make a
Drink it
big...
now.
See me, this me.
Are you causing my daughter full of manners?
Mommy.
But the teacher said respect is
The
earned.
chicken, you must buy. The chicken, you must buy.
Thank you.
Alright, let me ask you a question. And listen me carefully and tell me if you're right. Are you fear? Me with there, I take care of her, right? And the one
Take
little
care of
time me drink her juice. You want me to and dead, I want me dead who pay the bill.
Papa, take care of who and what.
Hey,
And you
$1
come mash
drink.
up my daddy house. And you can't even provide for.
Which tell you?
Me
Me want
have
back
my
me
man
juice
send
today.
money.
Me want back me juice.
I beg you talk to that. You know.
Yeah, father, if you never perplex our little head.
Them a pick me and when they see them a go along so with we as a man, them bad like a yards.
It look like you all your nyan too.
Him yam. Him and yam so foul leg. Him yam egg. Him never even think about me or you. Eh? And a white mouth. And a suck finger. And a drink.
I close me at the nyan.
You know no conscience, Papa.
Most close pin it.
You have to make the child eat.
I see where the rent is coming from.
You just a find out. You just a
This-
find out.
this-
that me
this
rent.
Shall you
shit.
drink this?
My rent face your altar order from morning.
Crave
All right, remember say-
crave.
You touch my water. $1,000 fees. Me not wait for a minute yet.
Remember me juice you owe me for.
Yeah, $1,000 for touch your water. Me not wait for a minute yet. Good. So you see me
It's
take
It's
care.
alright, my baby.
Mommy,
Yeah, man.
$1,000.
Cheers, rest yourself.
My baby.
Oh.
No worry your head about it. Here. Don't worry your head about it. Go cool off your head.
This is the reason why some of our stepfather always suffer because of woman and people we take up. We man, we must know what we are taking up before we come here. You make me say me look one cactus and see there, me have
Selwa. Selwa.
me look folk before that you want to say. You
Why you sell?
you used to come there.
Papa, your rent as me find you in now, and you hide from rent man. When me come knock your door, I'll just a little voice. She's not there. I may have to declare say I'm me before you hear the back voice. Oh, yes, come in. I play me a prayer. I prank me a prank. Selwa, how you can sell you no own?
Don't know. Alright.
You see, I be don't rank like that, you know.
That's why.
But you trouble her.
No, me understand why some of women don't cheat, you know. You know.
Going what?
Huh?
Going what?
No, cheap.
Going what?
Cheap.
Going what? Cheap and who?
Cheap.
Cheap and who?
Me never say cheap. Cheap. We say that's why some
Go
of women
cheap and who? Me a expensive man. Go cheap and who or cheat and who? Either way, your mouth put you in a problem.
Me talk about cheetah.
Cheap and who?
Cheetah, you don't know cheetah?
Cheap and who?
You know what I
Hey,
do?
me a them soft girl, you know.
Shabak said, you come like... You need to
I
be-
true me love you, you know.
Yes, man. You have me mom for you over Panama. I tell you. You want me inside go cook. You have me for food.
You're not hungry.
Huh?
You're not hungry. And like how this still have ice tonight, you have to go wait a little more.
What?
You have to wait for it. Me not cook it when it's frozen. You want to get salmon, Lala? You get salmon, Lala. You can't cook chicken when it's frozen. You have to make it defrost.
Some who?
See, you can't even talk properly. Hey, tell me something. You see, like how you know water, my girl, now you know you do no duty for a while. Like how this suffer defrost. Come bring out the hose, no man.
The was weak, you know.
I mean, with you, you're your weak hose. What me I feed you for, man? Sure, you know, no problem. You're weak back. Me know you know you, man. Sure.
Boy, I think I alone I get it. Go check my catty.
Oi. What here there?
Right, my sister.
Yeah.
That sounds chicken me a sort out and a chop out. You alright?
You me alright? You alright?
Yes. You don't normally come look for me.
I'm in this, me can't look for.
So what do me? You go on my face?
Remember say that man. Remember say me say yesterday.
Hey, I think so the thing you come from. Come in, him not come home yet, you know.
Oh, you know come home yet?
Hey. And now that you come for?
Yeah, me dey come to have a girl talk with me niece. How you look for?
So me no girl too.
Yeah, but you know that this
So me no girl too.
You have to understand, you can't put yourself in a big little penny arguments.
Eh.
Remember you're older now. You're catching an age.
So you not catching that age too?
No, sir. No.
I nobody brainwash my niece, so here when you come out you feel have sense like your auntie and not fool like your mother. Here. That's why I say you know for fool like your mother. You know say you know just come on and say you want a girl talk with my daughter.
Oh yes, we check up on her, see how she doing.
You saw when your cousin come out, if you influence her, here.
Our
And
mommy.
make you fool like your auntie.
Our mommy.
It's only something before you and your auntie have when the girls talk. You did when no say me have season, you buy tomato?
No.
Alright. It soon come.
Okay.
Our auntie?
No, not my dear. Me I can't go in my yard. We have things to go
So
deal with.
auntie, all your couple girls talk and all of a sudden you go with.
Me change my mind. Me never don't have a girl talk. Me realize you're not a girl. I'm sorry. But whenever your stepfather come, you make me know, yeah? Yes, sir. Bye.
What happened one time, brother-in-law? You good?
Yeah, man.
You alright?
Bless you.
Yes, man. Bless. Long time me not see you.
Yeah, you know, say, leave to take a little break. I want that place, look a bit. I want 3 days. So.
Yeah, fine, you go.
No, not really. I just go help my grandparents on the ground up a century. Go and look at sweet pepper and look at Irish and stuff.
Backside, you turn big farmer now.
Really, you know, I just a help out, you know, but me get the money same way. I'm afraid.
Which is right. So what you bring for me?
Your sister kind of stressed me out today. Because she cheap on me one because she had a lot. Me never ever go trust a girl again. Because of what she doing.
No. You can't do that. Let me tell you something. You know, hear what Tanya Steven said. You're supposed to find out if the woman alright before you say you're done. When a man love go, hoo, hoo, ha, 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 and jump off. And no. Ask if the woman alright. You don't even ask if the woman juice up. It's probably your fault, you know.
I never promised her no 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I never yet promised her that.
So what, unless you do? Now when does she leave you?
Sometimes we go 30 seconds or less.
Lord God!
But it's not too long.
No, sir. How you the yam stick
But
and plant sweet potato with wheat back?
Don't switch up the argument for me. And that makes she give me bun. She tell me say she want pension from the man. Because he's an old man, she cheat on me then. He's an old man. But she want to collect things when the man pass away. And me not have no legacy. And me not this and
you
me
mean
not
you
that.
not no leg? About legacy.
You see that girl they call the sister? Do not trust her.
Aye, man,
you hear
you
me tell you? Do not trust her. They always say looks are deceiving. You hear me?
Let me tell you something.
Right.
With you, man. You
Don't
see
listen
when the grape and you can't reach the grape, the fox say the grape sour. Just because from what you say.
Listen me now. Don't tell every book outside clean and smooth. But when you open the book, it cross up on the page.
No, man, but if you use good ink on the book, A source of pencil you use. Source of pencil can't work when they're not
Take it from
the
me.
lead.
Don't trust that girl.
Yes,
You hear me? She coming like snake.
Hi, now what you do? My sister you chat
She
about.
come round and she take a little time and work around you. And you didn't even know so she there behind you yourself a bite in your neck.
No. My sister is not like that. Let me tell
When
you
last she
something.
come look for you?
My sister come check me and her niece today. Yeah?
Today.
And because you
Today.
can't give my sister what she wants. And
You-
from the
you
sounds you
even
can't
know.
give no woman what them want.
You don't even know if somebody else you can check pan. Hold my mouth.
You really
Stay
hurt.
down.
She really hurt you
Let
for
me hold
true.
my mouth.
Lord, that's so you did love her. She really hurt you, not true. How many nights you stand at home and ball?
You're
Tell
not
the
really
truth.
looking to what me I say. No. You're not looking to know what me I say. Me say don't trust that girl.
Why? Me not give her no 10
Listen,
seconds.
listen me good. As it's true, me don't want to tell it the things them. But me just I go up and marry you. Hear? You hear me tell you? Because that man you feel like fear man want you. You feel like that the man they want you. You don't know how much a clock can strike, yeah? Me go me marry you. Let me
you
tell
know about my
'Cause
man.
you don't know a thing about that sister. That sister is a devil walking. You hear? She is the devil. Remember, say me tell her that. The amount of something that girl do me. You think I old man alone she cheat on me with? The amount of something me find out after. You see there? You hear me I tell her?
That long. Boat.
She are the devil walking on God land.
She really
glad
hurt.
me done with her. Done.
She really hurt.
D-O-N-E.
Hello.
I think you're dead.
Me not dead left here. I thought we had died together. Now I'm castic. Before me dead, you have to dead first.
Hello. Let me tell you something. If you want dead, you're dead. Me have to live. Me not dead like you. I shall be alive in Jesus' name.
I pray, amen.
Okay.
Anyways, up here yard, from my sister yard, me I come from it. I thought you was up there. But you was not up there, so I still like say I come look for my niece. But I never my niece really come look for you, I come look for.
Me.
Yes.
Sure.
I need to do an ultrasound, so you need to lend me your money. Lend me 10 grand.
From your bank, no.
Me might
You
be a bank.
couldn't borrow the money for your sister. No, your sister, you are bench and batty. No, you walk around and check people business, till people business reaching in your belly. So you should have.
Listen to what I am saying to you right now, in this moment. You know the reason why you're supposed to give me the money. I'm not supposed to borrow money, you're supposed to hand the money to me because I'm supposed to borrow the money from you. I'm borrowing the money from my sister and hope you pay her the money because she come borrow money from me yesterday and I soon go collect it.
I'll be auntie.
Hi, me know you?
You know, you do. I was supposed to say your favorite auntie.
I've been if it up on the internet now.
So make her so aggressive. She said so pop, so a baby.
Oh yeah.
Yes, so me the funny way to me I got a baby, but tell me how I feel, so we can know if dash we have to keep it.
What you wear from now? It's so some of them a baby father, yeah, them walk this on my like man pick me. So if you know see a breed, if you walk this baby daddy, that's where they got. Don't make you reach far. Take my advice and throw it away like this.
So it my baby father?
Oh! This could be my baby father.
I don't know.
Hello, Miss explain something. You say you I saw no go around and carry people business and mix up and twist up people argument, you know. Because how me be there with my sister, man?
I never know.
How you well I know. You ask Carly to say I be ever the post. I be must post him mother and him and he
No, me can't
man.
even laugh to see how the post all have mother.
You see, this is news you don't want news you go carry. This is
You
not
not talk about carry
TVM
news.
or TVJR, whatever the news you want to be or NCB. I'm going to get up news.
NCB and a bank. You know the bank account? NCB is a bank. NCB, what bank? NCB is not a news channel. NCB is a bank. So you could have said ABC, CNN, some foreign news.
Thank you. I don't need it. I don't need it to correct me. Me a big woman. I need it to correct me, miss. So excuse a little crying about yourself right here, so. Because I know you're a fast boat. Because nothing else that concern you.
So I'm easy answer.
Me don't know make him a look so. Why you stop here so?
Why you the power road with that? Why you wearing tight? Where you trying to do? You trying to create traffic or
And why you reach down there so?
What me did they talk? I'll be auntie, you know.
Oh yeah, reach down there so. What you do down there so? Well up your head high. And don't go low.
The same reason why I reach certain place and a certain place the ball come into play. So I see a way they work right now. Cause I am a man and I need flesh. And the man always got in you.
And you're broke and have no money. And a garbage bin you a garbage man. And you walk and recoup a place and you don't have a dollar.
I'm proud of myself to clean up.
You're proud of your broke self?
I'm proud of.
So you happy? I stepfather?
Yeah.
You happy stepfather, me a talk.
One.
Move your hand. Set yourself good. Bye bye.
What? Listen,
Bye.
Come here. Come here.
Tell me how you
Bye.
feel if you have a baby.
Hello, sweetheart.
Hello.
Come here, Empress.
Hello.
Why you do that?
The money.
Why you running the flesh?
The money. You
Me
dey
say
talk
girl
about
have
flesh.
2 in the front, you know, see? 2 in the front. Yeah, alright.
Bye.
Me just a come from work, right? I go give your sister some money.
My money.
When me get the money, you borrow it for her.
When me dey borrow money from people for man?
Yes, and your blood. You
Sure,
can borrow it from
Jesus.
him.
Me can't bother.
You
You
see
make
blood,
that hurt me. You make me head that hurt me, man. You sit me stomach now. You upset me.
She up there?
She don't up there. She didn't leave and go on the road. I don't know where she gone.
Okay, so me go down back on the road there with something. I got a bar, go have a little special.
Every time you like a bag, have a little special, you not spend no money. You not have no
I know
money.
every time I only when me get paid.
Listen to me.
Only when me get paid. Me have it.
what I'm
You
saying.
have to bless the shopkeeper.
You see,
them.
if when tomorrow come, and me can't get him to go to the ultrasound, you go and hear about it. End of discussion right here. You go and hear about it. Okay.
Yeah, man, you can do what you want to do. I'm not afraid of what you want to do. Me and me one big man. I'm free if you do what I want to do. Go on. Oh, little girl. Sexy! Jesus! I must buck in a girl.
Abby! In there? Abby!
Oh, you won't call me so loud, man.
I'm like, I need earrings, you know.
What's your problem?
You see your auntie up your road. You know, man, like, the auntie look good, so she look like she goes now. But why not man as if you like to the party?
Oh, yes, it were.
She say, Abby, auntie. You look nice. I'm going to say, Abby pose and say her favorite auntie.
So, what she said to you? She did so?
I said this, but she's a talk.
Oh, with attitude.
Yeah, she's full of attitude. She's a man. I'm just trying to put one man. I'm sure that. She's a put one man. But I think I remember before I was telling me, say, stepfather.
Who is that man?
One man, not a chain. Poor little coach, come and talk about me, poor front. Poor me.
So you could wear something better on the road for true. You don't expect me to see
No, my
Pokey.
clothes.
I had the big belly, man.
Oh, but I take a look money and find some money. Do that?
You have a mess of father?
Yes.
You don't have to give me money if you not chat, though.
All it is money, I feel like you still do that.
No, me not go chat. You see, for example, you take a 100,000 pound 50-50. Or you put it 60-40. Me get 60, they get 40. Cause remember me, I keep that as a secret, you know. Mommy won't know. My sister won't know.
For you say you get 40, me get 60, it matter about 6, your sister, me 40.
I will keep it secret.
I watch it to the man.
What keep it secret?
But you can't check me, stepfather.
That's the thing, so you have to pay me to keep my mouth shut and mother no know. 2 things that keep it.
Alright, anything else, anything else. You want me to come on the road still?
Go do what?
I like to go to foot back wide.
Mm-hmm.
One like it back half pain. You go stretch your pain. But yeah, go tell me say you're 18.
Remember me at 16, one must tell like
Shut
me
up your
age.
mouth. You're going to tell them say you're 18. Yeah,
Okay.
you know, I was letting away my signal and just about talking. You know, nice sometimes sitting down, very, very, very going with this, so talk
Me
to
try
me.
nice him up.
Take the food off him. I say food off me, yo.
How much food, how much I forget what I food?
So I say for 50, I get 120. I get 30, I get 125, I get 25.
Oh, equal better.
So you don't want equal to me money with me, but you want equal to your money.
Yeah, cause remember me I get the money for the secret deposit.
But
So check it up.
say, if they go chat to the boy, and me just set up on the money for money, I'm going to kill you. Okay. So you got to look at that. I don't think I make sense.
You have much sense?
So I made a set up on the damn in full.
Yes, but you have much sense.
You have more sense than 12 now.
Than
Don't
12
make
who?
one.
12 who?
Happy rotted then.
12 who?
Come, good go. Your damn shots big like a
No
man.
shots and
Then fly. Remember me tell you to fit black and act like an Amazon. Act like you're in that, you're eating, you're going to do your thing and do everything.
I
Easy.
evening. What, you alright?
You want me good, you?
How much?
We know some people ask me how me I want.
Me just ask you a simple question. How
That
much?
big man. You a woman?
18.
Yeah?
18.
Young girl, you know if you tell life on me age.
When me I tell like for me age, I say a big 18 years old girl you look
The
for.
breast ain't even start bust yet.
So
You're about 12, 13.
some 18 years old, body not mature yet.
What age you left school?
17 I don't quite remember.
You don't quite remember.
No, I don't quite remember.
So who sent it to me that you come and ask
Moody,
me
I
age?
call her. Moody!
Girl, you know, like your mom. Shut your ass. You can't keep secret. We are call up my name for.
Watch ya.
Wait, yo, watch your for.
No make you dress so. Why you dress so like ya go?
I have one something for you. Tell me, I have one something for you.
Why
Where me
you
and wear
island
for you?
their shirt?
My God.
So
You know. Oh, you can chat so. What you mean chat me name for?
no
the
money,
man
it's
asked
really
me
and
out.
truly yourself.
Send me.
Yes,
Sell
you.
yourself.
You, that one I mean I sell. Can't not much sense.
Well, you can't sell me no more.
What you do on road?
You follow.
Me say you go nowhere? Why you and my dad? What is this meeting
Don't
on
start
the
from
road?
me, you know. Do not start from me. Because I walk come and she send she to me for
You
me
did
give her
see?
money.
You did see? You did hear?
Me see with me two eye them
You
on
did
straight
hear?
road. She a sell
Me
this a
say
little
if
girl
you
that
did-
to me for 5 bills. That she a do.
Hey, young lady, come here to me. Please and
And me a
thanks.
walk on the straight road
What
like
kind
you
of
don't even
selling
see.
business you do? What kind of John Town business you do?
Mommy and I say go. She tell me if you say me at 18.
Oh, and that's a go on, yes, sir.
So you're not
And that's a
18.
go on, yes, sir. My daughter is 16. She's nowhere near 18. She's nowhere near
You
legal.
sure?
She's nowhere near.
She look like she had 12, 13.
So what you doing with my picnic? Eh? What you doing with my picnic? I sell my picnic. You don't know me for who, you know?
Picnic, man.
Eh? You don't know me or who?
I'm
But you
glad.
sell my picnic. Eh? You have nothing to sell
And your
yourself.
walk list too, she dey on road with this girl. Yeah.
And how you can farm fool and follow her? Me say you go nowhere.
This you up to?
Me say you go nowhere.
She
Yeah,
up all with it
Me
because
never
she's
know
going
this
to
you
do
up
it.
to.
Until she's going to give me half of the money when she gets it.
Oh, half of the money when she gets it, that's how you go. That's how
And you come call me. I mean never up to it.
When I that me come pick her get fit.
And you force me to do it.
That's how you go. Hey girl, make me find you know. You, when she tell you say you fi act like you're 18, what you really think that I go on? Eh? Use your head, girl.
Hello. I could never hear that. I box him down and gone already. Yeah, what me tell her say she and the girl I do. The girl send her to me to sell her body.
Let me tell you something.
Man, nobody gonna sell my body.
You and my sister might tie in her things and she dash you away. It's a 30-minute bed. You can't even call you a minute maid. Eh? Can't even call you a minute maid. Come out of this. Because you
what me
know.
and your sister doing in bed, now nothing to do with you.
So we
Give
are
me
chatting
last
out the
10
street.
second,
People
one-
out the street think you last 10 seconds and that they put the stone. Stone make him last 30
Me
seconds.
tell your sister, say, long as me enjoy myself, me good.
Yes,
Me
so
go
what
on my
listeners?
bed.
What listeners? That's why she left you.
That's
Eh?
why me buy TV over there. So when me do me thing, she can enjoy
No,
herself
so when
and watch
you
the
gone
TV.
with Pam and her 5 sister them.
So, Mom, can I ask
Eh?
a question? Auntie man that?
But
Ex-man.
she's a young girl. like,
Ex-man.
not really.
All you see when me get your backside home? How the backside you can leave the house? Can friend tell yourself to come? Me say you go nowhere? So where you go? And when she tell you say you for act 18, you don't feel say something wrong in that? Hey girl, you don't feel say something wrong in that?
No, Mommy.
No? Me and you. Get your backside home. Me and you. You don't feel so nothing wrong in it? Eh? A Judas your name? 500 piece of silver.
I know me.
Eh? 500 piece of damn silver yourself off.
What's it?
This one, you can find out so she herself for $500.
She is my friend who did that set me
The
up.
good friend, man. The good friend that
Mommy,
take care of
Mommy,
book.
look now, just look now, Mommy. I'm gonna tell you exactly how.
And this idiot go do it
It's
too.
scam. She did try scam the man. Nothing like that.
Oh, so scammer pick the Marias.
No. You never know.
Woo!
All act 18.
And I what? I pretend to say she 18?
And from your friend tell yourself you for act 18, you must have common sense and know what.
Mommy is not. Is she must play and you have to take it the wrong way.
Maybe I want mother used to do it. Trying to follow the footsteps.
Who for mother?
Oh, how much mother she have?
Oh, so me yourself.
No, like you just tell her. Maybe she have follow what the mother used to do when the mother was younger. And then what you tell him now. Maybe.
Hey, don't rank with me now about sell when you're younger. You couldn't afford it anyway. And talking of selling. Today Friday.
Oh, sure. Everybody know that today.
Today Friday, man. I don't want nobody come perplex my head. My head mess up already.
I don't do the shopping already. I'm gonna leave here look one guy. Look, you know, here look a pepper.
So Sunday, so we can't eat now.
Huh? Can do what?
To eat.
Who did you cook?
So you do shopping already?
Yeah. And this time you can't complain because I don't want one. When my boss give me extra
You
money,
buy snacking and shopping.
you buy snacks? Yeah man, enough meat, enough.
You not get no snack. You're lucky if you get bread and water today.
Enough meat, me buy with snacks. Me not buy no egg, you know, because I'm $1,600 for you. Egg I get deal. So, we go eat chicken back for the rest of our life.
What about the chicken back?
You work? You provide?
No.
Good.
No, ask her how she want to provide neither. That's so
I'm
mad.
going to look something.
Remember, I see me borrow a little change from my sister. So
Oh.
whatever you
Man
put,
is a walk, please.
hey, whatever you put in there, you have to go put little fertilizer pan. Come, promise her.
No worry
So
about that.
have
That
to
good.
take it back
that
to her
good, man.
now.
That good. All you do, you give your sister part of what you have now, and she have to take up for that.
No.
Tell
You
him.
have to live again.
No, tell it to him brother-in-law said. She have to live with what she get now and wait until I get paid again. She desperate, so she will take it. She will take it, yes. She desperate.
Papa, you promised me, say, the child will get everything today. Because you're going to get paid today. And you swap pay and you swap shift and thing.
That's right.
So how you going to
Listen,
short me sister money now?
You see, black people, like to black nigga with money. People
When
like
black nigga have money, then is one thing. Eh? But when black nigga go on like say, and not hand money, and full of promise. Eh, Papa?
Hello. Alright, you know what I'm saying? You have a problem with I went put 2 more thousand on it. Relax. So you have about 20. You can't do more than that. Me actually I give majority of my pay now. You get 80% of my pay. You must satisfy. Satisfy, man.
Me see your pay slip. You know,
So what you want?
80%.
Me and you married? We only
Me
live
no
together.
know if I 80% me I get. Me no know.
You don't need to see me pay slip.
Well then you can't tell me say 80% without proof.
Anyway, go on and go cook. I'm going to call from the
You know, so you are worried about going in and cook. From when you know water my garden. Eh? It draw like the time. Sure. I must of the time I go cook for you.
Me I smell the time, that time in.
Mm-hmm. Oh yes, so we
Can I
meet
sit
now
down
time.
Can I sit down and cook to man, you know?
Okay.
Murder will put it.
Eh? Let me tell you a little secret.
Yeah.
You see, if you don't want into the garden, me will go find next hose here. Cause me not go dry
Let's
like the
look
time.
Here. Look here. Come on, my water, girl. Come. Put it here.
Me go find man, you know, cause you take this thing for joke, you know. You take this thing for
Get some
joke.
water, girl.
It's alright. You reel out that the hose and make me go find a real man for go reel out for him hose. Go on. No, it's alright. Come to them.
No, we don't time to them. We are ready.
Morning. What's a breakfast?
I know why you tell me, man. I never see smoke without fire. Eh? You not two hands. You're not big enough. I saw you and your mama tan. Every day when you get up with me if you do things. I'm here to work Monday to Friday.
I bet you have told about it. Mommy! Mommy!
Wait.
Come here. Come outside. This man look for me and tell me, he said, man, and they live up and I need you and can't do anything.
What? How you tell me pick this say?
No, Shaffer.
How it go?
I'm not argue with them, they you know. You believe when she was saying that last time?
How it go? That's why me ask you how it
She
go.
come out here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me ask you a question. 11-year-old. They don't can make breakfast.
Yes.
She how much?
16.
Right. So I asked her if she not big enough to make breakfast.
But me
She
just
go
get
tell me, say, I mean, if you make it. I'm in the family there. You tell me no.
Who is a team?
Where
In this
team?
house, who is a team? There's no I
She's
in
not my
this
blood.
house.
She's not my
Yeah,
blood.
you know that your blood need a birthday there.
No, you're
You
a
is-
woman. That's different.
So we is one family.
One family until she have respect. You know, when she 18, you know, you put out her backside, you know. Me tired of ya. Oh, what? Me tired of ya. Tired of she. She can't do nothing for herself. All in the pan of phone. Tick-tacka. Tick-tacka. That's all in the
She do
pan.
Me
plenty.
just get up.
And she do plenty when you're not there.
Do what?
She do plenty around the house. If you ask her instead of talk at her.
This is
Eh?
what she do. Yes, Mr. Girl, me beat the girl in the bathroom. Yes, but she want to help me, man.
Hold on.
That's all she left hand.
You
Yeah,
got
give me a clap
from.
on phone, sir.
Now, yeah. Swear to the Almighty.
Mommy, your man lie.
Swear to the Almighty.
Your man
Swear.
lie.
Put up your hand and swear to the
I
Almighty.
swear.
Well,
Look at this.
me know say when me ask my child to do something, she do it. Cause how you talk to her, you talk at her.
Alright, babe. And this me and this her, but me I ask you a question and be honest with me. The picture what you show me of her father before her father run her, right? Me nah say you give the man jacket, you know. That's why me don't ask her this politely, you know. You sure they don't swap her in the hospital.
You sure? Them that swap you for him, the nice man who talk so nice when him first come.
No.
You sure they never swap you?
No, I am that gentleman.
Well,
you
the
know.
same way you is that gentleman is the same way me not give jacket or tie or coat or helmet. Are the same way I'm picking.
Mommy,
Dark and the
mommy,
man dark and look at her.
mommy, me just get up on her own and listen and an argument with me.
Hey, you gonna leave? Get the lighter, light the stove. So if you want to use oil or butter, fry egg.
You see,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
me I go back to my bed and me want something to eat.
No, go on in and do something for yourself to eat, then you know what you're eating.
Hello.
And we'll all go
Hello.
for salty kind.
Hello. Any bed that lay down in that today, you know, and I wait for me if you look about any breakfast. That I got dead.
That's why
That
I tell
I
her
got
beds
dead.
are off, she do it herself. Come
Anyway.
when she salt or cut.
Just say you borrow money for your sister yesterday, me date you go and go pay her.
You give me pizza. Me need
Give
to
her-
pay. No. Me need to give her back the whole like you feel live again.
When you see her, you tell her, say, the brother-in-law, specific say, if you hold on upon that and make that serve him until weekend.
Papa, you know, live for people for help you again, you know. Now me do that to my sister, and in the future, God forbid, me gonna need help again. She not gonna help
I
me.
mean, tell her, say, me, say, if you keep that, and the pay you pay him back, just tell him, say, me, say, keep the little piece of motto, make it serve her for the week until weekend, me start out.
All right,
Yes,
so you
Lord.
do business.
I saw you do business.
Alright.
You make people feel gratitude to what they get.
Okay.
Yes.
Me learn something new.
Right.
Thank you for teaching me something
Yeah.
new. So, in a business and in a relationship and everything, I saw you do business. You make them grateful for what them get. So you see with this your business, you do the same thing. Pizza. Same way you pay my sister pizza and she feel satisfied, and same way you're gonna get pizza and satisfied and grateful for what you get. Me gone.
You been teaching that?
Me gone.
Bridge did free, don't worry your head.
Yeah, work good.
Yeah.
Actually, take out the big good.
Yes, like big then. It's put
Yeah,
on
man.
bar.
Yeah, A plus, man.
Yes.
Yeah, learn. You
Yes.
need to go at gym though. Like this personal equipment to take out the butt. You have to go up at gym and lift some weight too. You understand? Lift some weight.
You can understand.
And when you have bend up and I saw you do, you see you have bend so. And I saw you do. When you go up at gym, then you show you the right way.
You do it for me, see then.
No, me can't do it. But me see people do it already, but I still them do it.
No, me can do it, me do it. Me take off my pillow, me upgrade.
And people
Yes.
on them must rock, you know?
Yes, them are
Rock.
clack together like tambourine.
If you go up at gym, man.
But me have gym money, me not have gym money yet.
You know, so, how you say you're a hot girl and you know have a man a spin on your body and carry you go place? You have it there, so. 4,000 for your gym membership in? 4,000 Jamaican dollars.
I don't want no money yet.
You don't want a man yet?
Yet.
No, so when you go a man,
But the time right.
what time? You don't know when the time is right?
Come at me do two
It's like,
squats.
you
You
say, Anna, so you do squat, girl.
Do it for me see.
You do squat, so.
I
You see, you can't do it because you need them weak. You
need them
some
no weak, we can
porridge in your
balance.
body. You need porridge.
Good morning. So your exercise regime now? Okay. Early in the morning, we're
You
proud
see,
of you.
I exercise, I just bend up and sit.
But what should I do?
Bend up and sit.
Eh. Well, from you get up and make a start is a start. We're proud of you.
But she
Continue.
said she a hot girl, she be there up at gym. With equipment them there and something. A 4,000 yard membership. And she said she a hot girl.
Yeah.
And she not have no man with money.
Well, at least you make a start. That's better than nothing.
Okay,
And then work up to the gym money.
Yes.
And then go to the gym. And then when
all
she
like
gets...
this as bad thing. It's this as bad. Because You fi have a man. Prior say I do road, I do road.
So what do one?
You?
Where?
Me I look this girl from within the high school.
Mm-hmm.
And she never yet look my way. Oh, me hot girl, see her, yeah. I walk past me go. You know, look on them boy, them time them not here. Don't know me, I'm a bike, I'm a king, I'm a house.
Alright, since you want
I'm
me,
an
the girl,
elevator
Kana,
pass.
I have a child for your brother. Okay? I have a baby boy for your brother. Yes. Come here, that
Where is it? Hold on, now use it.
Me have one son for your brother. You're not here, good.
So that's why you never walk you there with my brother from
Yeah.
them time there. But you walk like. See my brother when sell planting down the road.
And what?
See me orange brother.
I still your brother. But how old you been making them my ass?
it.
You look like a baby. You're 17.
So when he breed you.
From the time it used to tell me, so me are 15, me are 18, me are 15.
So when
What
are you
else?
breed from your 15?
He breed you when. No, sir.
What else? Because you're so inquisitive. What else
No,
do you want
sir.
to know?
No, sir.
Can't
Say
live.
that again.
What you have with them?
Say that again.
So-
He breed you when you are 15.
And what?
When you are 15.
And what?
No,
So where the
can't
baby
believe
there?
it. When brother
But
walk,
mom,
listen,
Me
walk.
sell the
So when
baby.
You what?
Sell the baby.
I carrying this video go straight to station.
Listen, I was young and naive. I mean, I
Straight
have no
down.
sense. I mean, I have to take care of baby. So I may have the baby, me let the baby hospital and then buy the baby from me.
Cha-cha. No,
No,
sir.
sir. You see, if your daughter, you see company when she pick up.
No, sir, but
You see the
me glad to
company.
my daughter
This
not
girl
touch
has
so.
sell the
What you say?
baby.
My daughter
Yeah,
not
hey,
touch so.
listen. Where your daughter do when you know your daughter that she more than 20 really? Your daughter they take my like dog. What do you when we did go down your road? Your daughter took
Fear
down there.
daughter.
Yes, fear
No,
daughter down there chat to me. You want
my
to go for the man?
my Abby.
No, my Abby. Abby will look like Saint and one like Saint. Abby's not Saint.
So you see this same thing me tell you no. On careless, on is a careless mama. On too careless.
Hey boy, who you call
Look
careless?
for your
You
picnic
ever
and
raise
show
a
much
picnic?
picnic.
You ever raise a picnic? Who you call careless?
You
Me
too
raise my
careless,
picnic
man.
when on a man
You picnic the
breathe.
pan road and dash your belly and sitting. And you don't know that.
When you look her when she 15, that not careless.
No, me
We were
young.
in
Me young too.
But when if you and your brother careless, can you breed the child? Now understand why
Don't
the
say
child
me
was
breed
wrong as it
child.
be.
Don't say me breed child.
Una breed
Because
una
my
man.
fire stick never go on the
Una
pole leg.
man.
Nope.
And all
No.
on a man team the same
No.
way.
I am a different species.
Yes, you is definitely a different species. You need a woman nor man nor what. You is definitely a different species. So know you have to before you come in and label people.
So that means I like no like hear the truth. Walkless. He's a walkless mother.
You know
Remember,
what?
me tell you that.
No, you go home
Walkless.
to my
You
child,
go
you
home
know.
to your child.
Because
I
me
bet
no-
you say you're
me
not
no
go over there, go do
raise
nothing.
Me no rinks and lick
But
and the people
look.
picnic. At least the child will make an effort.
I mean by
Where you
effort.
go with your bang belly? How you gonna look woman with your bang belly?
Banky.
Listen me, this is what
A
the ladies
bang,
them
which
love.
part?
This is
It's a
what they
shame.
love.
At least
Yeah.
she had a reason for her belly. What is yours but beer and rum?
So at least something in it.
Yeah, you come
Something
on
in
street
it.
and
I
talk about
sell
hot
wine
girl.
in it. Me not sell wine in my gut. She
You
sell
can't
fair
sell
picnic.
it. It not no price. It worthless.
You need to walk this
It
man.
worthless.
Your daughter dash her 15 belly hard.
You
and
see
go.
her?
You
You see her?
15
You
belly.
see her? You can count to 15. Or you can't drink in your belly. Go on with the wanga belly man and wanga guts. Well, you do wrong still to serve the child, but me understand how you did young.
But she never understand. Me never understand. Me nobody a guide me.
Tell me something. A truth you talk about my Abby, or you did just one running?
A true.
So how you know say my Abby a walking cemetery?
Me never say she a walking cemetery. You say so. She never want me tell her. She never want me tell her.
But they gone.
Alright, I don't do Miss Squats then.
Hello. What one?
So you do where so? And your sister gone for your yard. No, understand you.
You set up a yard? So what?
Don't try to look freckles.
Oh, the money what she borrow. Or she came back yesterday, she never came back yesterday.
Yeah, but you know how you go. We walk all day yesterday evening, you know, when you come in, you know, put it on and something what you miss. I say it, but you know, you have a big belly, so you have to understand.
Are the money come for?
Which money?
You do the ultrasound.
Sure! No, ultrasound alone, I tell you already. Ultrasound no need to do. You can buy boy clothes, you can buy girl clothes. Right? You can balance it to them. You know what I
You
mean?
need to give me a money.
What kind of money?
Remember what kind of money? I need the money to do the ultrasound and you must can give me a little pocket money. What you they do? What you they do? What the purpose of you? What is the purpose?
Being a good in-law. That's the purpose of me.
Being a good in-law.
Service the community.
So what about the other something?
Oh, sure. No, that I think you forget that and just blow that out of the past.
That can't lie in the past because it's going to come into the future and it's going to grow up into the future. So I don't know what the hell you did.
You know, say that was a mistake, right? You grievously want it and it happened. And we forget and love it alone. And you
You see
actually-
things with Uno,
I
man.
heard everything. I heard everything.
No, let me ask you a question now. You did still there?
I was right here. Look. Right here.
Where you heard? You don't heard
Yes.
nothing? You don't heard nothing?
She said, you are telling her she can gender the both genders, and she did into it community service, and I know what that means.
What you say, man? That's a...
Little girl.
She's mad. I
Little
hear
girl, little girl, you better you go on in, because me and a size our companion. So you better you go on in. What?
Mommy,
Hey.
may I have something to tell you?
And you me or come for? Come here to me. Come here, sir.
What best so?
Tell me something. I'm gonna ask you one time, little girl. You're still a virgin?
Yes, mommy, I can't try. I'm going to go doctor.
Carry go doctor?
Yes, mommy.
Eh? How much time you got doctor for that? Eh? How much time you... I
Mommy,
walk
you're
in
getting some-
cemetery your name.
Mommy, I can't carry me go doctor right now.
Carry go doctor.
Yes, mommy.
May I ask you again? Eh?
Mommy, I want to carry me go doctor now.
Because me here see this one. Your niece. Be your niece. I walk in the cemetery.
Some answer my question. Why you put leave upon you and say your niece?
Carry your niece.
I your daughter.
Mommy, carry me go doctor. Mommy, come carry me. You want me
No,
go?
no,
Oh,
Come
you
now,
want me
mommy?
carry you got the doctor? You can do what you know and pay for
Cause you
it.
don't believe in your daughter.
Carry about that.
Cause you don't be...
I know you baby I walk
Sir, don't come in this, yeah? Because... Sir, don't come in this,
I saw
alright?
me make she go on over here. Where make she talk to you like a that? And then you up go and put things in the out today and eat.
Mommy,
But you say nah no sense.
come carry me go doctor, okay? Don't believe in
Let
your
me tell you
daughter.
something here and now.
Mommy, you
You
can't
see
cuss when
why
someone
you're
carry me go
under
doctor
this
and
your
tie
roof? Me no want no belly full of arm and legs coming
down.
for me.
Mommy, come carry me go doctor. I want to see when you find out everything you need to find out, you cuss.
I know.
Yes,
I
mommy.
will tell you, see you. You know raise your picnic good.
What?
Cause if I did my picnic and me come in and me hear say doctors walking cemetery you know. Me lit down that I feel good and they go lit down.
Make sure
You
pray.
better hope and pray say for you not come in like this.
No.
Eh?
No.
No come in like how you did, tan sister. If you want, if you want everything to come out, you better pray.
Bring
say-
out anything we want to bring
Yes,
out.
you
You don't
better
have no
pray,
secret.
say.
You know what you have to do?
Oh.
Give me $5,000 where you come borrow from Thursday.
Come take it
Give me
from me,
$5,000.
mama man the yard.
Give me my $5,000.
And him borrow it.
Give me my money.
Give her the
argue
money.
with me.
Give her the money.
I won't give me
Wanna
money.
fuck up my money?
And you have the money because
Oh,
you
fuck up my
cook
money.
up big dinner. Eh? And you cook up, give her the money, man. You. And why you this, sir?
Find
You
the
want
money.
to tell me?
Mommy.
Tell me, say you have another baby in there.
Mommy, not make you say, cause this more important than what you come to me with, are more truthful.
So come out with it then, no?
No, me make you stay.
Oh, so what is it? The
Yeah,
dark
yes,
have becoming
one.
at the light.
Mommy, stay in your zone.
All right, be careful what you wish for, you know, little girl. Eh? Doctor you want and doctor you gonna get.
Mommy,
Tomorrow
yes, you-
morning.
Hey, don't blame Papa.
Tomorrow
You're going a
morning.
package. Sister Bucky on the way with the next package. The two of me a package.
So what? You have package for me too?
No, yeah, my mother.
What kind of package?
Mommy,
And what
if
kind
you
of
want to know your
thing you want
secret
to tell
package
me?
don't come, you're going to know the secret. Leave it there.
Oh, she tried to blackmail me. You know, go work with you.
So what you and she have so?
Me, I hear that I don't have nothing.
I never cross over some local boyfriend issues. Say that I would if a man and I take fair money, you know. And that shit about some local get along.
Anyways, me never got me yard, I don't go deal with
We must share the
something.
same, man. And that's the problem.
Give me my $5,000.
Deal with that.
Give her the money.
Yeah,
And you have the money.
You was say give her the money. You was say give her the money. I was trying to have the money.
I'm going to get 2,000 I forget.
And that's
Until
what-
I say if second with you until weekend.
I want to get 2,000 for a couple weekend.
You know much people borrow money out there and they don't get back peace.
You know what? I said I'm tell some me want lend you my money, you know. Me they want lend you my money because first of all you're not working and the man you pick up and put in your house worthless.
What list with you?
Stand up, what you going about this? Stand up. Stop killing me afraid of you. Stop. Man, make me more bust out in your too. Oh.
Bust who from out?
No,
As much as you
mash
see me
out.
and she a fight, my sister this.
Right.
With my little niece or nephew.
Oh, yeah, sister, with your little niece and nephew. But, make it rest.
No, I'm going to
That's
me
right.
hard. You see, by the time...
May I go make sure you
evening
get
to
it
come,
before the yes.
Before your midnight reach, bring me $5,000, come please.
You hear? May we do that, sis. Why you can't do something right, eh? Hey, you go make me borrow the money from my sister. Now when she come, I mean no sir that she come for,
Listen,
you know.
I
Me
go-
know sir money
listen.
she come for.
I go and give you good advice. And you go and sit down, and you go take a pen and book, and you go write and study them
No,
down.
no
Listen,
advice, some money me around now.
anything what happen, as from what I know, 12:35, 27th of June, anything happen after this time, I tell you, it's your fault.
Yeah, because I bring you in here. Wait, what is this big package
That's what-
and whatnot?
That's why I say, anything what happen after, I hear after, repeat me, is what?
Let me repeat it for you, Papa.
Your
You
fault.
don't understand, sir. My headship.
The-
My headship.
Them always say no.
You see, anything that happen from you, sir, and as a matter of fact, anything happen from me, say you is mine and you say me is yours, you're responsible too, including my sister alone.
Oh,
Because night now
one
fall.
time sister alone, me not have a problem. Cause me and your
So give me the money for me go PR. You know, sister, she have belly, she need things and she
You know,
need
sister, she-
scan and things she talk to me
you know,
about.
she couldn't cost me. Cause me not good like that. I'm a G man, I'm in-law that. Me not good.
Come on, she need the money for true. As much as you see me and she ready for cuss, we will kill for each other.
So what you want?
The money make me go give her.
Then tell them, come wait then. Wait.
All right, me know what me I gonna do. Me know who me I gonna get the money from and how me I gonna get the money. And as you say, what the time now? 12:36. Anything that happened from 12:36 on the what? 27th of June is what you did say. And say your point. Your fault. Your
What I
fault.
think you gotta do?
Me don't know what you think me I gonna do. But me have to pay my sister today. And you not giving the money. Me have to find the money. So I'm going to have to do what I'm
Any
going to
man
have
go
to
on your
do.
property, you know. Make sure they keep that property, you know, coming. I want to back again, you know. Me and no man now share the same property. Cause there's no invest in that. You hear? Any man and man I share the same property, a jacket I go run next. I mean, I know it. Me alright. You
Yeah,
want, you
word.
want.
Me have one word for you with that.
Mhm.
Hush. Hush. Me I go get my sister money. Buy hook or buy cook.
Then go on now.
Alright.
Whole
But
can
you
do.
realize that it's
Don't
my
tell me-
yard.
don't tell
So
me-
if anybody else have to go on, when me go on, you have to go on. Hush.
Seriously?
Hush.
Alright, now give you money later. No, give man. No matter with you. Yeah? Go and lay down.
Alright.
Go on.
Hush.
Go and lay down. No matter with you.
Little baby, don't you
No
cry.
matter with you. No matter with you, yeah? Trouble, wow. Oh, God.
Oh, the baby is in the house, son. You sound fierce, no vex. Can you believe somebody out the road that tell my mama said, oh, me a dash her, me a walking, so me a dash her belly.
Everybody know that boy, people they are wicked up here. Our else. You still there, oh?
No. They say, any day me a buck the person who say it, was like, oh, me a virgin, born virgin, me and them. So I can say,
All the mission and the work that we go into the man them and son. You know them?
no, the room just lock up and me sit down in the room.
They sit down in the room like
Mm-hmm.
statue
Yeah.
and come up with money.
Mm-hmm. I don't know say, there's something you did tell me what the boy see my auntie and my stepfather. I feel like they're doing things to true now.
Wow. They still in a thing, you just in a akawa. What make you
No, me live over yard. Them never know say me there, you know, and me a catch me ears and hear them a chat, and all them a chat. But she a come to my stepfather about baby things and them something the ultrasound. Why about money? Why she a come to my stepfather for money? After my stepfather breeder and say look like a inbreeder.
So you're not sure, but you feel like they're innocent.
Yes.
So all you know if I help you, help. You might help her.
Help.
Are you
And
auntie?
he talks up.
Are you auntie?
Help. Me don't hear everything when my stepfather say when she has to match up my phone. But me have sense of a pick up with them and say.
I don't know if you tell upon the one they do. Stay out of it.
And then what's my mom? Me at the same time the mama come and want tell my mother, you know. She come and come accuse me of that.
But me don't know how to do that. Them people are wicked nowadays. Them just open up people's business.
You want to find out who?
And I find out how you beat the girl.
It's up to now my vex.
Vex who again?
Up to now my vex about all that situation.
Oh, she don't know how to tell this, but just vex in peace, please. No vex in wrath.
Why am I not for vexing rats? When them a tell a big disgrace like for me.
Not care anybody if a girl or boy catch them and beat them. I'm going to help you beat them too.
Anyways, me can't time I find out who.
Alright.
I just want to find out who. So we listen to explain yourself.
If there's some work out of my time, so I say I'm going to sit down.
Yeah, bye.
Pull all the banners.
Yeah, bye. Very bad. Yes, girl.
Yeah, look for somebody else.
Oh. Yeah, tie down the belly. Big belly.
Big belly. Somebody me a work for me.
You're tired. Like a
Yeah, girl, want big dance together. One left one of me.
Big dance.
Yes, girl.
You say buy the band?
No, me can't wear the band go. Me I try pull my belly from in the day so when I go in and I'm not my belly stay flat and stiff and trim and nice and slim and so be like a slim body.
Then you really need the belly band to choke your belly big feet.
Yeah, just tell me that. I'm not say you're afraid.
Me I tell her the truth. Anyways, how we are go? No.
Well, where me I go?
I don't know what me are going but me see you so.
Me I go move off and get to me and fix up my belly. Time like them know so this famous belly still big, you know? Yeah. Oh, you don't look something. You don't try to walk out. Don't what do I? Yeah, come from me and go along the road. Walk out, calm me stress. I don't know if it's not the road system. Mission. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Taxi.
No, sir. No, man.
But Jesus.
I somebody here look. I look here, look me back.
You know, say if me ever see say you there, so me wanna go ask them for taxi. As I swear to God, if me ever see say you there, so no stop here, so.
So where you get a piece of old bike here from?
Okay, you bright.
It look brand new, but me
Because
know
me
7
know
years.
no bike can't talk about piece of old bike.
No, it look brand new, but me know 7 years. Can't have no money. Because me dad take it like a dog and a...
No,
Super.
you there hold me down. You
How
there
me
hold
hold
me
you down?
down. As me and you left, so me bust through the gate. Me
And drop
bust
on your
through
big
the
nose.
gate.
And drop on your big nose.
No, me drop on money. Money me land in. And see me now, this is my second bike.
Oh, what me happy for you?
Me have 2 on the road.
Well, me happy for you, liar. But anyways, as I can see, me no want you back at the car. Me know see you can't see I'm sorry to say come and talk about
I
taxi.
know say me glad me see you too.
What do I?
Cause me can't believe say you breathe for your sister, man.
And
I
what,
cannot believe.
And what is
Half
wrong?
of me is there and we are struggling, everything I go and good, you go cheat for me with the sister, man.
So tell me.
The sister, man, out of everybody.
Him say him have money, you never have none. And baby is a blessing. And I'm my underneath, so I can go and lie down with whosoever I want to lie down with. That no concern you. Cause broke pocket man now go nowhere. Remember that. Oh,
Right now you came show me a 5 grand.
Me can show you more than 5 grand. I show me have my phone. And you me carry me pump on you.
Look here, them are just chump change me and make
Where you going to go chum money?
chump change me and make off my road. They can't even show me. They cannot show me say my gear.
I'm set up my body firm and
Look for your ear. Look for me your left. I see me hairstyle 9 months ago.
Me pull out it and do it again. No worry about that. Me pregnant
When you
about me
pull
have
out
time
it?
to do hairstyle.
When you pull out it,
Remember when me pull out it? Couple months ago and do it back over.
you not even say man that you don't even put on a weight for only thing you get a gut.
But you say me want big and
Big old and
swarty like you. Big cowboy. But you say me want look like a you. Monkey
Me
face boy.
understand say me never there perform in a bed strong enough, but you enjoy yourself. Sometimes you enjoy yourself.
I know. It best
All the
not go on.
TV when me left over there, me tell
If you
yourself
want the TV, you
when
can
me
come to
there
the
buy
TV.
the
A bigger TV in my house now. And you see the
It's for when me boss and you not enjoy yourself, you watch the TV
Hello.
and enjoy yourself.
You see the little big back TV left over there, the old time TV, and I thought about them a flat screen, the man buy give me boy, flat screen. So take a little
Flat
time and
screen.
go on. Take your little time and go on.
Me will come collect it, cause for me money
Take your
buy
little
it.
time and go on.
Me will come collect it. Yeah, you tell you about no man, no ambition.
Your phone
No ambition.
Your phone
No ambition.
And
me
so your
tell
piece are all broke down, so you don't even get it up.
Look on iPhone, this is bright. Yeah, General. Yeah, man, me there for the road, yeah, man, I want to. Oh, the money you call me, boy. Oh, now give the check. The check will be $2 million. Yeah, me just give the check. Me now go transfer it. Don't go through too much problem now with the bank. So you just, me give the check and you just deal with what you deal with. Yeah, for your land. Alright. So we connect in the evening.
You have 2 million I give people with check?
This year is job on my business.
No man, talk to me nice now, Saga. I have money.
What me tell you say me drop in my lesson? What me tell you? Repeat what me tell you say.
You say you drop on your face.
Me drop in a money.
Oh, what now
Me
worry
drop
yourself?
in a money.
Do not worry yourself. Guess what? This baby right here is yours. Take it up.
This baby of mine.
I'm mad man, yes, I right for the understand.
Look where me good. You look like cartoon.
No, but listen to me.
Me look like a clown.
You don't look like a clown.
Me look like one
But
of
you have a clown nose. But you don't look like a clown. Listen to me. You see, the man, me tell you the truth. I'm not feeling baby, you know. I'm trying me that try pin him down because me thinking me have money, but he have no money. I garbage and walk and pick up. A years. I for you, not for him.
From me ask you one simple question. From me and you then, you ever see me wear a jacket?
No, but
You ever see me in a hoodie?
no, but I'm not jacket this.
Oh.
It's a full suit. Wait, what on there? What on there?
Me
No,
don't
come now,
wear-
listen.
Me don't wear jacket.
What? It's a man, yeah. I like how, hello. Me don't like a man style, yeah, you know. Man, go like them better than woman, you know. It's alright. I go and tell that dirty man for the relationship over and go pick up a one with the money. Alright, how are you? Where's the father there?
I package your car and give me sister.
Auntie, not sister. And no, me not bring no package come.
Me a mix
Wait,
up you.
yo,
Me a
what
mix up you. Me a mix up you because I package me one auntie.
Well, what is stepfather there? I hear me come out.
I don't know.
Little girl. But when me a chat to you, you not answer. You go
I
like say me
package
eating
me
your
a ask
about.
about.
Yeah, which package you talk about?
Remember when I talk about me and link you back for your package?
Me tell you, see if I try blackmail me, not go work. It not going to work. Get that straight in your damn big head. You hear?
Stepfather is not
Mother.
here.
Me just left over
He's
and it
not
over
here.
here.
Hansi is not there.
So when there?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm there, honey.
What happened, sis?
Me there here.
Yeah, right, Abby. Yes, mommy.
You season the meat for me, baby?
Yes, mommy, season from mine.
You stay for dinner?
I never did really come to see about. Me come to see your man.
Where you come for sick up hyper?
You remember come to see for? Little girl, stand up. Me not like how you sit down. When big people attack, you stand up and listen to what they must say. Me come to see your man.
What?
But you're not talking to me.
I say something to you, my sister. You know, say me sorry.
Sorry for what? What me do you? I don't do you nothing.
You know, say you not do me nothing. That's true. You not do me nothing. But me do you something. And me just want to apologize. Me just so sorry.
Man, I ain't go round thing, you know.
Me not go round.
Talk straight.
Alright. Set up my body good.
What, the baby alright?
No man, the baby alright. No, me ain't no pain.
Oh.
Me just want to apologize. I am so sorry. I hope I can find it in your heart to forgive me.
Forgive you for what? You murder somebody?
No, I never do that. Something kind of.
You not go up your man for me and hold me down so me can't come out of this.
No, me dear. Why would never think about that?
So you can apologize so for man. Can I just talk straight? Come on, be like hungry right now. My morning start. Bad I'm hungry. Talk straight, man. Cause me no know what you can apologize for. You thief from me what?
Me not thief. But you say me tell you, you just to find it in your heart to forgive me.
Me soon can't forgive you for not talk, man. Come. Awa.
I something with your man.
What about my what about Papa?
Me want your up and talk.
What I said it now? I said it one good way to feel so bad about yourself.
What do you throat?
No, mommy, hot. The mix up is like hot right now. About to go on.
The man and the belly.
You
What
understand,
about the
mommy?
baby?
You
What about
understand?
my niece or nephew?
Mommy, you hear that? Sorry. This baby right here is for stepfather.
What you talk about?
Tell me truth. This baby is right here. That just said my cousin is from my stepfather. So this child would be my stepsister.
Me not understand what you're talking about because that the maths not maths. That not make sense to me.
Cousin and stepsister.
Baby,
So
what's going on here? Family reunion.
Hey.
So now,
yes, family reunion because
Family
me want to know
reunion.
something because
what?
how you and my sister there?
You mad? Where? When? How? Me? Later with this? No.
My, we are do.
Yes, oh my
No,
God.
sorry for
Mine
calling.
know you lit my man.
Sorry for calling.
Back up me there. You talk about your man is not your man.
Stop defend him.
Come over here if you tell us the relationship done.
Done under what condition?
Yes.
So hold
Papa.
on. Do what?
My ex-man have money now. Money man me want to
Before, yes.
So-
Mommy, we are not me the one. Tell her there no, but you come and show a lie upon me about me have that your belly. Walking cemetery.
And your friend tell me the long stretch as one. The stretch
I
goes.
when me tell her no, she talk about anybody that wicked. You see how she wicked?
That's what me I tell you about friend. And family even worse.
No,
So true.
But you are bright. You are bright.
Bright one. Bright one. You look at me and lick you somewhere else. It's true.
nothing like that. Nothing
Let
like
me
that.
push you down, woman.
Come. Look at right you now. My head mad.
My head mother.
Hello.
Oh, what the so hold on. So while you are short change me, you are full change for sister.
Cause done there so no good.
She come. I'm telling you.
No red quit me, girl.
I'm telling you how it started.
I mean, raise
hit
you.
me no.
I'm telling you how it
Man,
started.
you hit me. You have to grab your
7 months. 9 months ago now. Yeah, 9 months ago. When you did gone. Gone say you gone look for work, right? And she come over here and ask you. She went in a short skirt. I'm sitting down right this, you know. And the girl dropped $50 on the ground and bend over and take up the $50. I mean, no, did they me look and they never no jars. I'm saying, why you don't wear jars? He said, why wear jars when the time is hot? So I said, true, the time hot. Then she begged me, look water out of the drum to wash her face. I said, sure. She turned over the water upon her. I said, oh God, the clothes wet up. You can't give me something to wear. So I say, well, we have one short in there, one short, you can linen it. I'm going in the house and I take up here. So I take up here and turn on. She naked.
That's a long story. Long story cut
No,
short
ma'am,
with the thing.
shut your mouth.
Cause look like I'm on shots now, me.
Hey!
Hey!
You, you know, I true,
Have a-
you have a life, you know.
And
But we not forget this.
when I turn on and I see the beef, I couldn't refuse because Jimmy don't get up. So Jimmy couldn't go down.
Oh.
So from that we've been doing it. Even when I got work a morning time, so my time I take a couple of days off.
Me hot.
Oh.
She
Mommy, I'm a fan ya.
So,
Yeah.
I true the Jimmy.
then she tell me say, we should breathe out because my sister, she me woman are idle with time and baby for produce. So
You know, sir, me stand up here and listen quiet, eh? I stand up here and I listen quiet, eh? Me take your crap, eh? And I this, you know?
the flesh, me weak to the flesh, me a man, you have to understand.
You know, say you're gonna roll 66, you know? And me like a buddy way, you know? 'Cause you look like say you come in for mash up me and my sister life. Your life from this day,
And
when me
then-
call me ex.
And then now, last month, right? That's time we did the stretch out after last month. You see me a stretch out, right?
Yeah, talk, man. Get to the point.
You see, uno woman cause we lose our good
Which woman?
relationship between me and you. Because between me and you know, you live better than she. She a young girl and you're old foxy, better than her.
So it's that and that because you can't even talk, eh? Now you give me the key, you give me bun, eh? And that me
I know
have
me-
me in there though.
I know me give a bun, you know, I eat give a bun, but cool man, cool. Me control it mine, but this a mine at the what fee mine? Turn up to chat.
Lift up.
Listen on, no. Then,
Lift up.
guess what now? I've been sitting down with this 6 feet now. I need a badam.
Why, but you talk fast? Me have a money man to go to right now. Talk fast, man.
Talk fast!
Me have AC if you go under.
Like shit. Coffee is what?
No, I don't need to cut, man.
She don't need to cough nothing.
man.
I used to
I hear
cough up.
everything
You
right
rise up the
already.
pressure right now.
Talk quick. Time. Hot more one of the AC.
My doctor said me HIV positive.
Huh?
Yes.
Listen on.
Huh? My doctor said HIV positive.
You know what it is?
Yes. The big gay.
Oh God.
You say you have HIV?
Who?
Mm-mm.
Who?
She
Go looking at the bathroom rubbish pan right here now. It's full of red Johnny ride high.
She been using the safety protection.
Uh-huh.
She tell me that when she can't breathe, you know, cause she old, she tell me that she still a
Sister,
protect
you have
herself.
HIV?
So, you have to
Auntie,
protect
you
the
have
baby.
HIV?
So you have HIV. You're right. You're right, beer, obviously.
Hold on.
You know what?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Hold on there. Hold on there. The phone there. Hold on. Somebody man call me to Jesus. What? Hold on there. Hold on. Give me a
Take your
moment.
call outside the car.
Hello. Let me tell you, Mr. Man.
HIV
Oh,
positive.
Roger, we know you. What you say? Are you water date? Oh, good news. Me glad you say me say you water date. Okay, so no, Roger.
Auntie, what do you mean she get HIV?
Little girl.
Oh, you mean, hey!
In the mood right now.
Oh,
Hey!
oh, yeah, you walk on my background, yeah, man. I hit your catch. Yes.
Water.
Wash off. Wash off. Wash off. I should have asked me a trouble.
Me ask you one question.
Come out of this. Come out of this with your nasty germ self.
Give me HIV. HIV?
Hey, karma is a brute. What you do? Come out. What the HIV or the leper? Leprosy, come out to me yard. Me no want no leprosy like this. And all the time she tell me say, our man, our baby father, gone abroad. Hey, if you send money for her. Hey, God, ancestors, thank you. Me protect myself. I couldn't even ride good anyway. Hey, me done with the whole lot out now.